Have you ever wondered if something microscopic, something most people would never even think about, could hold the power to destroy cancer cells naturally? What if I told you that scientists have been studying a certain bacteria that appears to trigger cancer cells to self-destruct under specific conditions? It sounds unbelievable, almost like science fiction, but the research behind it is making doctors and researchers around the world pay very close attention. Here's the shocking part. This bacteria doesn't work the way traditional treatments do. Instead of attacking the entire body, researchers discovered it may interact with cancer cells in a completely different and unexpected way. But before you get too excited, there's a lot the media isn't explaining properly. Some people are calling it a miracle breakthrough, while others are warning that the truth is far more complicated. So today, we're going to uncover what this bacteria really is, how scientists discovered its strange connection to cancer cells, what current studies are actually showing, why this discovery could completely change the future of cancer research. You'll also learn why your immune system plays a massive role in this process, how certain lifestyle habits may influence the body's natural defenses against abnormal cell growth. For years, scientists believed bacteria were only dangerous organisms that caused infections and disease. Recent discoveries have completely changed the way researchers look at certain types of bacteria inside the human body. What shocked scientists the most was finding that some bacteria may actually interact with cancer cells in unusual and unexpected ways. Researchers studying tumors noticed that certain bacteria seemed capable of surviving in environments where normal cells could not, especially in areas with low oxygen levels. This discovery opened the door to an entirely new field of cancer research. One of the most fascinating findings came when scientists observed that specific bacteria appeared to activate stress responses inside cancer cells, helping the cancer survive. These reactions sometimes pushed damaged cancer cells toward a process known as self-destruction, or programmed cell death. Simple terms, the cancer cells began breaking themselves apart from the inside. Researchers became even more interested when they noticed this effect appeared stronger in aggressive tumors that normally resist traditional treatments. Other surprising detail was how these bacteria seemed to interact with the immune system. Scientists discovered that in some cases, could help the body recognize hidden cancer cells more effectively. Normally, cancer cells try to hide from immune defenses, almost like criminals escaping detection, but certain bacterial reactions appeared to expose these dangerous cells, making them easier for the immune system to attack. What makes this discovery even more incredible is that researchers are now exploring whether harmless or modified bacteria could someday be used as targeted tools inside the body. Instead of damaging healthy tissue like many conventional treatments, scientists hope these bacteria could focus directly on cancer environments while leaving normal cells less affected. Early studies have already shown promising results in laboratory experiments, especially in cancers that are difficult to treat with standard therapies. Most people think the immune system only protects the body from colds, viruses, or infections. Scientists now understand that it also plays a critical role in detecting and destroying abnormal cells every single day. In fact, your body constantly produces damaged or mutated cells, and under normal conditions, the immune system identifies and removes them before they become dangerous. The problem begins when cancer cells learn how to hide from these natural defenses. Once hidden, continue growing silently inside the body for months, or even years without being noticed. Researchers studying the connection between bacteria and cancer made an incredible discovery when they noticed that certain bacterial activity appeared to wake up immune responses around tumors. Some bacteria produce signals that attract immune cells directly toward cancerous tissue, almost like sounding an alarm inside the body. This is important because many tumors create environments that weaken immune defenses, allowing cancer cells to survive without resistance. Scientists also found that inflammation plays a major role in this process. While short-term inflammation can help the body heal and fight threats, inflammation may weaken immunity over time and create conditions where cancer cells grow more easily. Poor diet, lack of sleep, smoking, excessive stress, obesity, and inactivity have all been linked to immune dysfunction and increased inflammation levels. This means daily lifestyle habits may influence how effectively the body responds to abnormal cell growth. Fascinating discovery is the connection between gut bacteria and immune health. Trillions of bacteria live inside the digestive system. Researchers now believe these microorganisms help regulate immune activity throughout the entire body. When the balance of healthy bacteria is disrupted, immune responses may become weaker or more chaotic. Scientists are currently studying whether improving gut health through nutrition and lifestyle changes could support stronger immune defenses against disease and abnormal cellular behavior. Of using bacteria in cancer research once sounded impossible, but today many scientists believe it could become one of the most important medical breakthroughs of the future. Researchers around the world are now investigating how specially modified bacteria might be used to target tumors in ways traditional treatments cannot. Like chemotherapy, which often affects both healthy and cancerous cells, scientists hope bacteria-based therapies could become far more precise by focusing directly on the tumor environment itself. One reason this research is attracting so much attention is because tumors are extremely difficult to treat once they adapt to standard therapies. Cancer cells are known for changing rapidly, resisting drugs, and finding ways to survive even after aggressive treatment. Some researchers discovered that certain bacteria naturally move toward low-oxygen environments, which are commonly found inside tumors. This unique ability may allow bacteria to reach hidden cancer cells deep inside areas that medicines sometimes struggle to penetrate effectively. Scientists are also experimenting with genetically engineered bacteria designed to deliver anti-cancer substances directly into tumors. In laboratory studies, some modified bacteria have been used to release toxins, activate immune responses, or weaken cancer cells from within. Researchers believe this targeted approach may reduce some of the harmful side effects associated with conventional treatments. Major area of research focuses on combining bacteria-based therapies with immunotherapy. Immunotherapy works by helping the immune system recognize and attack cancer more effectively. Some scientists believe bacteria could strengthen these immune reactions even further. Early experiments suggest that bacteria may help expose tumors that normally remain hidden from immune defenses. Although this research is still developing, experts believe the future of cancer treatment may involve highly personalized therapies designed for each patient's specific condition. Instead of relying on a single treatment approach, future medicine may combine immune therapy, bacterial science, genetics, nutrition, and advanced technology to create more targeted and effective cancer treatments.